Hello guys, today we are going to see how to do routing in React.js. So first let's open a React project. It's a React plus Vite project. So you can create React too. So now first let's run this project. Run dev. Yeah. See, this is the output here. Hello. Hello. Okay, so in this video we are going to see three things. First is routing in React.js, second is nested routing, and third one is how to create protector route. So first go inside src and create a folder ROUTS routes, and first let's go and create a folder pages. And let's create some pages here. home.tsx rfc home, and let's give it h1 and class name text center. Okay, now let's create one more page, that is about about page. इसको भी हम h1 कर देते हैं, class name text center. Okay, we have two pages now. Now go inside the route folder and create a file index.txt. It will be our main route page, main route component. Okay, तो यहाँ पे हम डिफाइन करते हैं RFC, और सबसे पहले राउटिंग करने से पहले we have to install React Router DOM that facilitates routing in React.js. So npm i router DOM. Let's move little fast. Control Z. Main dot. Let it be main dot. main rout and Control C, Control V. Okay, now import three things: browser router as router, then ROUTS routes, and then ROUT route from React Router DOM. And now here we are going to use router. Inside this we have to use routes. Now we have to define route. To define route, just click use route tag and give attribute path equal to slash जो भी path देना चाहते हो, and element equal to, here I will give home. Control S. Okay, let's copy and paste and give it route about and element about. Okay, for navigation we have to define a nav bar, and always keep the nav inside the router. If we keep it outside the router, then there will be some error. So let's do navigation thing. We have to import link from React Router DOM, and here we have to name it home and give an attribute to it will take route, similar to anchor tag. Control C, Control V, about and this will be abouttbot. Let's give some styling. Class name flex gap 4. Okay, so our project is already running, so let's see. Okay, it is hello because we haven't imported it in our app.jsx. So let's import it in our app.jsx main dot. Okay, it's imported now. See, this is our home tab, home route, then about route. As we click the about, it is about route. When click home, it will be home route. So हमने देख लिया how to do routing in React. Now let's move to the nested routing. For nested route, let's create one more page. That is dashboard. The dashboard. It will have indexindex dot tsx, and it will have two files, profile.tsx, and second one is setting, setting, settings.tsx, rf fc. See, let's setting name for txt text for excel txt text red red 300. Okay, now let's define profile. Class name txt text, green 600. In the index, we are going to define the dashboard route. How the dashboard route will looks like. So it will be like such board dashboard. Dashboard. Let's define. Okay. Let's keep it little simple. Dashboard. Then here we will render our children's outlets. That is the routes we will give to it. So now let's define dashboard route. So here we will return the routes route import route path path profile profile element equal to profile. Okay, now similarly we have to define for settings. Say Control V, SATINGS settings. Here TINGS settings को import भी करते हैं. हो गया. ठीक है. Now let's use it in our main route. So here route route path slash dashboard slash star element इक्वल टू हो जाएगा डैशबोर्ड. इसमें हमें डैशबोर्ड को रेंडर करना है, तो डैशबोर्ड. ओके. नाउ क्लोज दिस डॉट. So here is two ways. First, we should give dashboard route inside it. Such dashboard routes. So ये हो गया हमारा dashboard routes. Now let's see. Fragments. Dashboard route is not a route. Okay, let's see. And in dashboard we can go here and just it's wrong. Okay, so let's refresh the page and Control C, vim, run dev. Open it again. Okay, this time it is working fine. So it's home, it's about. ठीक है. अब हमें डैशबोर्ड डॉट के लिए भी चाहिए कि हम डैशबोर्ड डॉट पे कैसे जाए, उसके लिए एक नेविगेशन बनाना होगा. तो डेट इज Control C Control V slash DASHBOARD and this is DASHB the dashboard. Now let's move to dashboard dot dashboard about and home. So डैशबोर्ड के अंदर भी हम जा सकते हैं. Let's see dashboard dot we have to. Okay, in dashboard we have to create navigation too. For that we can do nav nav and just copy paste from there. We can take these two links, just paste it here. Class name flex jp gap 2. Okay, link slash profile slash settings. That is profile profile, and this is setting settings. So let's move to here profile. Okay, let me see. Slash the dashboard slash profile slash settings. Now let's see. Yeah, it's working fine. तो हमारा नेस्टेड डॉट भी काम कर रहा है सही से. Now the third topic is how to create protector dot. So for that we have to create a file name protector dot. Say the protected dots dot tsx fc protected dots, and it will take children as parameter and return chir children if everything goes fine. So first of all we will take token. For that you can use store and anything. मीन्स हम यहाँ पे टोकन पर सबसे पहले तो रिट्राइव करेंगे. तो auth auth इक्वल टू true. अभी के लिए तो मैं एक कांस्टेंट वेरिएबल ले रहा हूँ. बाद में आप लोग इसमें कोई भी टोकन को रिट्राइव कर सकते हो, देन कंडीशनली चेक कर सकते हो. इफ th auth ट्रू नहीं है, मतलब कि auth फॉल्स है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, रिटर्न navigate get to slash replace. Okay, so let's use this protector dot. For that let's use it in our about page. For that we have to remove this thing and just wrap it inside the protector dot. Pyaro is protector dot. Okay, now let's see. Let's try to go to about page. So we can able to go to about page because there is auth equal to true. अभी auth यहाँ पे true है इसलिए हम लोग about page पे जा पा रहे हैं. लेकिन if what if the auth is false और auth false है तो क्या. सी अगर हम डैशबोर्ड पे हैं तो डैशबोर्ड पे जा पा रहे हैं क्योंकि वो प्रोटेक्टेड डॉट नहीं है. होम है, होम पे भी जा पा रहे हैं क्योंकि वो प्रोटेक्टेड डॉट नहीं है. लेकिन जब हम अबाउट पेज पे जा रहे हैं तो से ये उसको रिडायरेक्ट करके होम पेज पे भेज दे रहा है क्योंकि ऑथ जो है अभी फॉल्स है और हमने वहाँ पे एक रिडायरेक्शन लगा के रखा है कि अगर ऑथ फॉल्स होता है तो वो होम पेज पे चला जाए, नेविगेट टू होम पेज. ओके, तो we covered all the things related to the routing. ओके गाइस, बाय. आज के लिए इतना ही. हमने आज देखा कि सबसे पहले तो रिएक्ट में राउटिंग कैसे करते हैं, फिर हमने देखा नेक्स्टेड राउटिंग कैसे होता है, फिर थर्ड थिंग वी हैव सीन दैट हाउ टू इम्प्लीमेंट प्रोटेक्टर राउट इन react.js. ओके, बाय गाइस, गुड नाइट.